عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون. Even after the truth has become clear to them, if indeed many of the people of the book wish that they would turn you back. Allah Azza wa Jal is the wali of the believers. Allah Azza wa Jal aids them, He helps them with His divine aid and help subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah supports them, Allah defends them, Allah protects them, Allah showers His mercy and forgiveness and blessings upon them. Don't make your sadaqah be diminished, be demeaned by the actions that you do afterwards in terms of reminding others. Sometimes people give with that mindset, right? They're like, I'm giving because the Prophet said, your wealth will never decrease. It only increases. And so therefore, when I give, I expect to see this. This is the way that people think. So we make the act of charity like a business plan.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم